Well, Ethan, after what seemed like a fairly decent first half from Wales, it turned out to be another tough evening for you guys. What are your initial thoughts after that?
Yeah, like you said, we worked hard in the first half, and then the one time we let them get on the ball a little bit in the middle third, we didn't close it up, and then they punished us for it in the first half, and it was a disappointing way because I thought we played well in the first half. We tried to keep the ball, we did well in the build-up. All of us weren't that clinical in the final third, and like you said, in the second half it wasn't great. I hold my hands up with a couple of goals, which it's a disappointing end to a long season. But I just want to say, we're all together, we'll stick together. Obviously, we can understand a little bit of grief at the end. It's hard. It's just as hard for us as it is for them. But we're together as ever, and we've got the Nations League now in September, and we'll go into that full of confidence. It's strange to say off the back of the salt, but we know what we are together, and we'll always remain together.
To concede 4 goals in the manner that you did as well, it's not often that we see Wales concede so many goals. What do you put that down to? Like you said, is it tiredness? Because it's been a long season for so many of you. Just
maybe it wasn't massive mistakes, it was little mistakes maybe, and they punished us. It's disappointing for us. We always pride ourselves on clean sheets and being hard to break down, and obviously in the second half we let that go a little bit.
Ethan, appreciate your time. Thank you.